I'm gonna do applies is all nails here for 30 seconds, and I am created $10 nail art for you right now. So how's everyone doing? Happy Friday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Oh, I had a little apple right there. Just light up apple and watermelon. All right, so 30 seconds gonna be for that one. And you're gonna see that one side is really shiny, so you want to keep that on the top, and the other side is really matte, so that's what you're gonna lay on the top of your nails. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in, and welcome to Glitz Accessories and Such live tutorials. So I'm gonna place them right there. All right, so you can place it right. And Carmen, thank you so much, Carmen. What do you know? Oh, that is awesome. Thank you so much, Carmen. I having such a great time doing all this, and thanks so much for joining with me. And I'm so glad you like it. So I'm gonna using the dual end tweezers. Really cool. You can use this for your tweezers, I mean for your stickers, as well as for transfer foil. Rub on the edge. Make sure that is get completely adhered before you are going to leave this one up. It's only transfer to where I apply the gel, so make sure you don't miss it. Sometimes I do accidentally miss the gel that it didn't transfer. Look at that. It's on the edges. How do I miss that one? So don't worry. We want to just touch it up. You can. But I'm going to show everyone if just in case you're missing it. Because sometimes I apply it and it didn't get it all covered. So don't worry. We'll just put it on and then place for 30 seconds here. Just because you're seeing it on some videos is cool, like a fast forward videos from a lot on social media. Sometimes it looks perfect, and then we're forgetting that we have the real things in life, the troubleshooting that it going to not transfer. So here's gonna answer all your question for you from if it not transfer. Either it's gonna be like you're not applied enough foil, or your LED lights will not clear properly. Oh my god, it's so, I forgot that it sticks on mine already. It's okay. What happened that it sucked right into that? Don't worry, I'm gonna put some crystal on it. So, but however, it either has like it's not going to stick on because